Alright, what's up YouTube? We had a pretty good rain, I think Monday, come through. Had a pretty good flash floods for the creeks. But this is why I like to come, right after a good rain. I'd give it probably 3 or 4 days, depending on how high the creek got. You can come in here and all the algae and silt from the creek washes off. And you see color, look at that. I found some brokes and stuff already. Ain't nothing film worthy, but I have a feeling this might be film worthy. I think it's gonna be a tool almost, looking at it, but let's take a look. That's pretty cool, ain't it? I thought it looked broke at first, but you can see where they flaked it off right there. Interesting. It's got a little dip right here. Maybe to straighten the arrow shaft out, maybe. Just a quick tool, scraper, something. I don't know, guys. Pretty cool though. I'm gonna walk a little bit more, so y'all hang with me. Later. Found something cool. Let's see what it is, huh? That's broke. That's my luck today. It is broke. Would have been a pretty cool point, I think. Or it would have been just an oval scraper. Man, that sucks. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna keep looking. Hopefully I'll find something whole. Later. Alright, I finally come across one. Looks like the base is damaged, but and I barely even saw it. See if y'all can see it. Alright, let's pick it up. I'm glad I walked today. Oh yeah. It's all there too. It looked nicked at first, but it's not. And this is not my normal woodland time period material. Looks like some kind of chert to me. So this could have been a, well, I'm not even gonna say, y'all. I'm not too good at identifying them. Could have been an Adena base. But that's pretty neat right there. I like that. Two-tone on the back. Some good serrations. Good tip. Alright, y'all. I'm going to keep looking. Hang with me. Later. I found another one, guys. Ended up being a pretty good walk. It actually looks like it's an ugly one, y'all. So, y'all bear with me. Check this out. That's pretty interesting. I'm not used to this material. It's all creek stain. But it looks black. I mean, let's rinse it off. I can't tell what this is made out of. It's a crude and ugly point, that's for sure. But there you go. Maybe I'll find something else on the way back. Later. Y'all check this out real quick. My goodness. That thing would have been cool. Too bad that thing's broke. Paper thin, almost. Wow. Okay, later guys.